Hi there, this is the Xiaomi Mi Watch and priced at just 469 ringgit, it's the brand's latest affordable smartwatch. For that price tag plus its impressive offerings, this is a very interesting device to look at. And could this be the value buy of 2021? Well, let's find out. Now the first thing that caught my eye is the watch's gorgeous AMOLED panel that measures a large 1.39 inch in size. It pushes a pixel density of 326 pixels per inch, and as usual of a premium panel, the colors pop and the images are super crisp. The watch has a maximum brightness of about 450 nits, so visibility under direct sunlight is actually not too bad. So let's quickly pop over to the design of the watch. You have to remember that this watch is pretty large, which is meant for people with larger wrists such as myself. You get a very simple circular watch face, as you can already tell. You get two buttons on the side, one on top and one at the bottom. And of course at the back here you have your sensors as well. Very simple overall. The case itself is made of fiberglass reinforced polyamide, so it feels sturdy while lightweight as well. The case itself just weighs 32 grams and I like the design. It's unassuming and will go with any outfit that you put on, if that matters to you. So the watch comes with a TPU strap, and if you look closely you can see a very nice textured surface on it as well, which is nice. This particular one is navy blue and you can also get it in beige and black as well. It's waterproof and reasonably breathable as well. You can always swap them up easily with the release pin at the back. Here I'm glad to report that the watch is fairly responsive most of the time. It's got scrolling and swiping animations that add to the experience. Most of the stats that you need can be found in the tiles, which you can swipe through or tap into to get more information. These tiles are not customizable, unfortunately. For more options, you can tap the menu button on the top, which brings you a slightly larger list of items like alarm, timer, and even a compass. All in all, the software on the watch is straightforward and easy to navigate. The responsiveness of the watch is also a big plus. The companion app that you need is the Xiaomi Wear app, and there you can find more detailed stats, use the GPS function for outdoor workouts, and change your watch face. And speaking of, Xiaomi claims that you get over 100 watch faces, but at the time of recording, I found only just 91. There should be more added down the line. Your options here are plenty and interesting enough to get by. So you can also see your notifications when you swipe down on your watch. It's fairly basic, it works for most of your messaging apps and emails as well. You can't reply at all, even with preset replies, and oddly enough, when it comes to emails, you can't actually expand the content, but you can expand content on your chats. When it comes to workout features, Xiaomi say there are over 117 fitness modes. So after each workout, you'll be given stats such as calories burnt, distance traveled where applicable, heart rate, and more. You can view it while during your exercises or after your exercises at the workout history tab. And while we're all stuck indoors anyways, we'll be doing a lot of indoor workouts during the MCO. So thankfully, this watch has quite a few, like indoor cycling. There's also yoga, free workout, which is my favorite, and more. The watch comes with a 420 mAh battery that will last you quite long, about a week on regular usage, and if you're conservative, you can last up to 16 days as claimed by Xiaomi. The watch charges via a magnetic charger that can power up your watch in just over an hour. So at the end of the day, for 469 ringgit, the Xiaomi Mi Watch offers pretty much all you can ask for of a modern day smartwatch. Sure, the customizability options are limited and the notification features are quite basic, but again, for this price point, you're still getting quite a competent device that will last you for a few years down the line. Let us know what you think of our review of the Xiaomi Mi Watch in the comment section below. Remember to like, subscribe to our channel, and this is Victor signing off. Bye bye.